We're gonna do unboxing, inspecting this compressor. Okay. Ano nakalagay dito? Let's open this up. Grabe naman. Wala ako nun eh. I don't have this kind of ano. I don't have this kind of all right, what we have here, a nice packaging, secured. We have a relay and capacitor. Okay. So this type of compressor is used for flammable gas R600a. Proper service procedure must be followed. Yeah, because this is a flammable gas. You can't use this on ordinary system. Right. Filter, dryer. Yeah. Okay, it looks good. Okay, quality good. This part came from the factory. Okay, that's the compressor. This thing is used for R600. Okay. Just inspecting this, making sure it's not broken. Looking good. Okay. So we do service R600 refrigerators. In case you need help, just get in touch with us, guys. R600 system. This is the manual, came from the factory. Just instruction. Technology. Okay. All good, looks good. It's not broken. Packaging secured the parts. Put it back. Okay. Packed and sealed. What's wrong with this packaging tape?